to make sure I'm
Speak loudly. Everybody's asking you to speak loudly.
So have you ever?
Yes, I do.
Yes. Actually, you should be like.
Yeah.
No, actually, one of my favorite dishes, honestly, is again something that my grandmother cooks in Sri Lanka, and it's actually a cashew curry.
Oh, okay.
So it's made from cashew nuts, and it has a lot of coconut, elements, and a gravy, and it's to die for. So that, like some brown rice, is like heaven for me. Yes, exactly.
I think Sri Lanka is a beautiful country.
It is, yes, I know.
I've never been there, but I have my friends who went there. They love it, absolutely love it.
Yes. It is, it's fun. Okay guys, look, the pan is heating up.
You have the paratha.
Oh, you don't put any oil? Oh, well, you kind of did put some oil.
Yeah.
Okay.
So we cook a little and then we use oil.
So the first time I've ever made a paratha. I have never, yes. Never. And not the way you made it. I can't wait to taste it now. What about these guys? We have so many people to feed. So do you have this for, is this something in your household that you make every day? Is this like a breakfast staple? What is a breakfast staple for you?
Oh, well, being a Panju, like a Punjabi, parathas is a staple.
Yes.
With dollops of butter, oodles of love.
Yes.
But, what you need to do is...
Would you avoid the butter though? Or
I avoid the butter.
Okay.
So I try and eat with less oil.
Yes.
Possibly no butter.
There's so many ways to make things healthy now, right? So,
But I eat parathas.
So you could probably have a paratha every day.
Yeah. You can't make the paratha all the time.
Well, if I had someone making me a paratha every day, honestly, I would also have a meeting for every day.
Marry a chef.
They're all taken. No, but actually, breakfast is the most important meal of the day. I think like that is something that for children is very important that they understand that, and as adults as well.
Yeah.
Hopefully, with the food revolution, we'll be educating them about it.
Yeah.
How parents should be actually feeding their children.
Yeah.
What would you? I know you have a 4-year-old child. So
Yeah.
Is there anything you would like to kind of pass on to him, or about food? He must be knowing a lot about food, actually.
Oh, well, he's just a 4-year-old boy. His name is Ranbir Kapoor, by the way.
Ranbir Kapoor?
Yeah, that's his name.
That's cool, actually. Yeah, cool.
So, what happens is, and it's a typical thing that you would also relate to. जब हम लोग गाड़ी में जा रहे होते हैं, lot many times what happens is on the traffic signal there are these kids who knock on your window and ask for food that you're eating. So my son loves apple, and once we were, driving down in a car, and that's when he stopped at a signal, and there is this very tiny little boy, approximately age of 4 or 5, knocks on the window and tells my son, "Give me the apple that you have." My son turns around and asks me, "Why should I give you the apple?" I said, "Can you finish it?" He said, "No." So I said, "Whatever that you can eat, keep it. Whatever you cannot finish, give it to him rather than throwing it out." So there you go. So
that is what the food revolution is all about. Honestly, it's about like sharing, it's about not wasting food, it's about having enough food that to go around to everyone. So make sure you sign up and join the food revolution, please. We're trying to do our bit over here, but if you want to know more information, go on to jpfoodrevolution.org and make sure you sign up. And there'll be a lot of information that you can read about, a lot of I'm sure recipes as well,
Yes.
you learn something new. Oh, my induction cooker does this to me too. Yes. It does this as well. Right.
So
This is cool. I didn't even realize you could probably cook paratha on an induction cooker. I never even attempted it.
that's good.
But wait a minute, your paratha's not even brown.
That's because we haven't given it enough rest. So when you make a dough, you need to allow it to rest so it takes a proper shape.
Okay.
At least 15 minutes.
Yeah, exactly. You told me I'm not going to get married in my paratha.
You want to get married?
You told me I can't get married because my paratha was round.
Sign your sign. You want to get married.
Okay, fine. You anyway. Wow, that looks so good already, guys.
Do we have a plate there?
Look how good that looks. Okay, are there any more questions that you guys?
Your first attempt at cooking.
Okay, so my first attempt at cooking actually was an egg, and thanks for joining the Food Revolution. Bollywood Academy, we love you. Oh wow! That is so cute. That's actually kind of cute with my here as well.
मोबाइल पीछे लो ना अभी Jaqueline.
अभी तो पीछे लो यार.
अरे यार ये सर है तुम्हारा. कौन है ये? Jaqueline here down.
Oh, that was hot. We had to hold that.
Yeah, are you going to cook anything else?
Yes!
Guys, stay tuned. We are live across the world, okay? And we do have one more recipe coming up because, I mean, like we've got the paratha, and you have some secret thing coming up as well. I don't know what it is.
Yeah, the secret is that she's going to attempt an omelette.
In the microwave.
No, not in that.
No, in the microwave, please.
I think we can cook this later.
Okay, done.
Let's move ahead quickly.
So, I'm very happy. So that only took like 10 minutes. Yes, please. Yay!
Jaqueline.
This food revolution is fun. This is really good. You can taste cumin, you can taste the coriander and
लाइट ही नहीं है, बंद करवा दिया.
something different. Guys, this is so delicious. And it's nutritional. It won't make you healthy. And it'll keep you healthy. So definitely try this at home. Thank you so much now. You did! What are you doing? It's okay. It won't make you bad, don't worry. Okay, now.
Alright, how do we break an egg now? You know how to break an egg? You know how to?
Mano.
But professional way, you know how to?
Mano.
No, I don't.
Mano.
Cut it.
जान दो.
As you cut it.
Slowly.
Shut down. Oh, really? You do it? Oh my God, I can do this.
Just try it.
Cut an egg? Who's
Like
ever?
this, otherwise it'll fall. Then
This
this
is my leg.
Like here?
Yeah, cut it.
पूरे कैसे बना था? पहले घे ना मारे.
I've never cut an egg. Shut up! Oh my God! Whatever. I was like, what is this new cool trick I'm learning? Who cuts an egg? I told you. Yeah, well, I have. By the way, in case you want to know. Alright, so
Alright, so you can break more eggs.
how many eggs are we cooking? We're making an omelet, by the way, guys.
2.
So 2, okay. So omelet with the yolk.
Yeah.
At least there was no eggshell in there. It was perfect.
So just take it there.
Oh.
Alright, whisk.
Careful with that. Okay.
Alright,
Alright. Woo!
we'll add some salt.
Okay. Omelets. Omelets are like the easiest things to make. And one of the best, like kind of like complete meals or, you know,
पूरे कैसा बना तो तुम्हें कर रहा है हमें नहीं तो.
So we're going to be making an omelet today, guys. And guess what? I think there's a bit of a competition going on as well.
Yeah. So the challenge is, we call it the omelette challenge, where we ask you to send in a picture and a recipe of your favorite omelette to us on this platform, whether it's Jackie's Facebook or it's my Facebook. And if Jamie likes your recipe, he'll feature it on his website.
That is so cool. Please, Jamie, pick my recipe. I want to be featured on your website. Or maybe you'll pick our recipe. Maybe our recipe will be like, you know, up to mark.
Yeah.
Yeah. Let's see. We'll let our media decide.
Okay. So
Okay.
can you pass me some onions?
Okay. Onions. Right here.
Yeah. So what we'll do is, we'll
You
saute
wanna-
some onions.
Saute some onions first.
Yeah. Some curry leaves.
Curry leaves. So great source of protein. We've got some great. Are we gonna do masala omelet?
So what we're trying to do is a curry omelette.
A curry. Okay, fine.
So there'll be onions, tomatoes, curry leaves, and some madras curry powder.
नीचे जो बेटा.
Yum.
Spicy omelette.
Okay. And garlic?
I'm skipping the garlic.
Garlic makes everything better though. Okay, fine.
Tomatoes.
Some tomatoes. Okay. Tomatoes are one of the best things, by the way, for skin. If anyone is interested, it's one of the best things to eat for skin. Good, glowing, beautiful skin.
I agree.
I love the fact that it's in our omelet. And here we go.
Now, we need to add some
Okay.
madras curry powder.
I you know, like, we're like totally going to enter this competition because food revolution going on here, guys. Make sure that you do the omelette challenge with us and send in your entries to us. Try food revolution as well. Jamie will put up your best recipe on his site. And hey, I'm excited.
Alright, so I'm adding.
And here we go. I've never made a professional omelette before.
You can make it now.
Ah, wow. The queen's like getting the sides all in there. So wait, we had how many ingredients? One, we had the curry leaves, we had the tomatoes, we had the onions, and wait, one more thing. Wait, one more thing.
Madras curry powder.
Ah, the curry powder. The curry powder.
Yeah.
Okay.
Would you like to
Do
flip
what?
the omelette?
Flip it?
Using this.
Okay.
Not now. Hold on.
Okay.
अरे अब तो हटा लो रेडी हो जाएगा
Yeah.
हो नारायण दादा या नहीं हमें मावळच्या मोबाईलवर भांडतोय
I know. That's just
Anyways.
अरे अभी आप भी आ रहे
we're
हो लो
there. He wants to eat more.
मैडम आपका मोबाइल पीछे ले लो मैडम
Okay, fine.
अरे पहले लाइव दे देना तो पिन करवाना
What can you do to sign up?
Oh, it's pretty easy for you to sign up for the revolution. Just
अरे,
go on to
कला था।
www.jamiesfoodrevolution.org and just click sign up. Simple.
Uh-oh.
Ah.
Hold on.
नारायण दादा
What motivated you guys to join food revolution?
Well, I really like that story that you had said about your 4-year-old son, about here.
Yeah.
And I think that has been probably a huge factor for you to be part of like a food revolution. And having a child, knowing about food crisis as well, that affects so many children. For me, I do think education is very, very important. And I am someone who's into a lot of health and fitness. Education about food is something I think we kind of do neglect. People don't know what they're eating. Everyone's on a diet. They don't even know why they're dieting or what they're dieting with. And it's either like in a very unhealthy way or it's not done with the right intentions.
Yeah.
And so joining Food Revolution for me is actually about having children know from a young age what food is all about. I think we have very, very wrong understanding of
Absolutely.
food. People either fear it.
Yeah.
Like one of the first questions that were asked to us was, will that make you fat?
No.
So it's like, so people have actually, I think, wrong perceptions about food. You're either fearing it or you're eating too much of it. And, we want to make it an enjoyable thing.
क्या planning है
Your ingredients and we want you to have fun with it too. So, okay. Try it? No, I don't think so. I'm scared. I'm scared for these people in front of you. Oh, wow, it's done.
Yeah.
Wow, beautiful.
Really?
That looks like a great omelet.
With the heat and paratha.
With that, yeah, I'm sorry. Okay, let's just remove that paratha. Oh, wow, he's going to make it like super fashionable right now. Oh, that does look very good.
सुनील दादा थोड़ा पीछे
Wow, interesting. Oh, that's the half eaten one. It looks beautiful. It looks so
अरे
Aww.
पहले लाइव देने का फिर उसके बाद
So you have to join the Jamie's Food Revolution or jamiesfoodrevolution.org. Go on his website and sign up for the Food Revolution. And keep watching because we're going to be we're global and live throughout today. Today is Food Revolution Day,
Today is
right?
Food Revolution Day, and we urge you guys to share this post right now so more and more people can sign up.
And keep tagging Food Revolution as well so that we can reach as many people as possible. If you have interesting ingredients, if you have any questions, if you have any tips and pointers, keep tagging Food Revolution and put them up and be part of this Food Revolution with us.
Absolutely, and if you've got some interesting recipes with omelette or whatever healthy ingredient that you find in your local vicinity, share it with us right now, right here.
We'll be super excited to see them and also very excited for you if you get featured on JD's TV with the best omelette recipe. But I think we might be a very close candidate to winning.
Let's try.
Let's try, guys. I want all of you guys to try as well. Okay, let's see. It's very hot though. Okay,
अरे कल दादा
okay, here we go.
उधर देख रहे हो खा रहे हैं तब
Yes, I saw you finish. I think you did.
Um,
That is good.
Curry
It's like a curry, but it's an omelette. Well, you know what? In Sri Lanka we have either boiled egg curry, which is very, very famous, and we also have
The omelette curry.
the omelette curry,
Yeah.
which is insanely good.
So this part of the omelette will remind you of that. Right.
Oh, really? Okay.
Yeah, because that's where the most of the masala is concentrated.
Oh, wow. Okay, guys, you want to see? This is.
हाँ ये सही है
Omelette.
ये सही है अभी 2 मिनट में तो हमारा लाइफ खराब हो जाएगा
Oh, like looking for ingredients. It's amazing. I'm so proud of you. I didn't know you're such a good chef. I didn't know you're such a good cook. Although I do follow you. But now this is yours, the proof of pudding, guys.
Yeah.
Kunal can cook.
Get the gun ready,
With
guys.
my help.
Fantastic.
Wow,
You know,
amazing.
a lot of times what we do is we associate cooking with a lot of work, a lot of hardship, a lot of time away from fun, but you know, cooking can.
Thing ever that I've ever been part of, and thank you so much for, thank you so much for like being part of it. And seriously.
Jaqueline here. Your left. Answer here. Both of you here. Jaqueline here up.
Jacqueline.
Yeah.
Jacqueline Sam.
अरे हिलाओ मत
Jaqueline here.
Where?
Answer here. Both of you here.
Not the knife. Oh! Why you got flour on me?
कहानी जवाब मिलेगा
That's alright. Cooking fine.
Food revolution or food revolution? Results today first. Food revolution or food revolution?
Food revolution, not foodie revolution.
No, we have seen you are making a sattu.
Yes.
Yeah.
We made sattu paratha, and thanks to Chef Kunal, I actually learned for the first time how to make a paratha, and I actually made it very well, right?
You did very well. You
Because
did pretty good.
I'm eating it right now, and it was so delicious. And please tell them about sattu, because honestly, this is something I learned today also.
So
please, Hindi
yeah,
में,
सत्तू का जो आटा है वो चना दाल से बन सकता है या फिर ज्वार बाजरा से बन सकता है, इनको मिक्स करके बन सकता है. So all in all जो सत्तू का आटा है is basically very high on fiber, very high on protein, बहुत ज़्यादा अफोर्डेबल है. एंड हिंदुस्तान जहाँ पर बहुत सारे अंडर न्यूट्रिशन या ओवर न्यूट्रिशन के केसेस है, स्पेशली बच्चों के अंदर, वहाँ पर अपने बच्चों को हम एक हेल्दी स्नैक ब्रेकफास्ट स्लैश लंच डिनर मील दे सकते हैं यूजिंग
हर जगह में मिल सकते हैं, right?
Yeah,
cool.
absolutely.
You guys want to talk a little bit about Food Revolution Day? Do that.
Yes. So we're here today actually for the food revolution, and there is a global food crisis going around, and so we are here to hopefully try and educate people about food, about nutrition, about health, and hopefully save our children from any kind of thing detrimental that involves food or health. So hopefully this information will help a lot of children around the world.
Yeah, and the good part is, as we just did a live cooking for the Food Revolution Day, there were 9 more countries around the world which did the same, right from America to Australia to UK to Kenya. All these places have been doing the same food revolution, cooking the way we just cooked. The idea behind cooking these 2 dishes was to excite you that entering a kitchen and cooking inside a kitchen is fun. खाना बनाना कोई मेहनत मजदूरी नहीं है, बल्कि मस्ती का भी एक ज़रिया बन सकता है. और साथ ही साथ जो बच्चों की न्यूट्रिशन है उसका ख्याल रखना बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है, बिकॉज अगर हम ख्याल नहीं रखेंगे तो हमारे बच्चों का कौन ख्याल रखेगा?
Exactly. So they actually need us. They need us to educate them and to provide them with the best nutrition, the best food. You can also be part of the food revolution just by joining jamiesfoodrevolution.org and sign up.
Perfect.
And we'll be making and creating a much better future for our children. So make sure you sign up.
Yes.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you.
Oh, mummy.
Why don't you go one of them?
Both of you here. Straight.
Ma'am. Ma'am here.
Jaqueline ma'am here.
Jacqueline center. Center.
Ma'am here.
Ma'am here.
Jaqueline here. Ma'am here.
Ma'am here.
Jacqueline ma'am, here right.